So hello my dear students. Today we are going to study about the general motor fitness, Barrow 3 items, general motor ability, standing broad jump, zigzag run and medicine ball put. This is basically for boys and for girls. For boys it is for 3 kg and for girls it is of 1 kg. The Barrow motor ability test was developed by Dr. Harold M. Barrow in year 1953. तो ये जो एबिलिटी है ये कब डेवलप हुई थी? ये जो हमारी मोटर एबिलिटी टेस्ट है ये डेवलप हुआ था ईयर 1953 में. अच्छा, ये टेस्ट किस लिए था? इट वॉज स्टार्टेड विद 7 आइटम्स विच वैन यूज्ड इन पास्ट टू मेजर डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स ऑफ मोटर एबिलिटी. तो मोटर एबिलिटी के अलग अलग फैक्टर्स को जज करने के लिए ये डेवलप हुआ था. Employing the jury technique, Barrow's professor serving as the jury decided to utilize 8 of the 15 factors. They chose the items most highly related to the motor ability. So these factors are agility, hand-eye, foot-eye coordination, speed power, arm and shoulder coordination, strength, balance and flexibility. So this selection narrowed the 87 items of measurement to 29. तो मीन्स जो 87 सिलेक्शन के जो क्राइटेरिया थे they were narrowed down to 29. These 29 items were administrated on the test ratest basis to 2 males on required physical education cases as Wake Forest College. Based on the finding of this research, Barrow decided upon the 2 batteries of tests. Number of one had 6 items which tested the most highly related factors. So the first item was basically standing broad jump. It was done to measure the explosive power. Second one was medicine ball put. It was done to measure the strength. Then it was zigzag run. It was done to measure the speed and agility. Then it is a softball throw. Basically it is done to know the arm and shoulder coordination. Wall pass is hand and eye coordination, and 60-yard dash, it is used to measure speed. So first ability test is the Barrow motor ability test. The objective of this test is to measure the motor ability. किसी की मोटर एबिलिटी जज करने के लिए बैरो मोटर एबिलिटी टेस्ट किया जाता है. इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें नीडेड हैं? इसमें 6 आइटम्स है बेसिकली जो रिक्वायर्ड है. दैट इज़ स्टैंडिंग ब्रॉड जंप. तो उसके लिए अ मैट ऑफ 5 to 12 फीट और एक मेजरिंग टेप चाहिए. अनदर जो आइटम है दैट इज़ अ सॉफ्ट बॉल थ्रो. फॉर दिस 12 inch inseam soft balls are required and target area of about 100 yard it is required. Then for the zigzag run, stopwatch, 5 standard or obstacles are required. Then for the wall pass, regulation basketball, stopwatch and wall space is required. For medicinal ball put, space approximately 90 to 20 feet and tape measure is required. And for the 60-yard dash, stopwatch, whistle, smooth surface at least 80 yard long with a start and finish line is required. So now let's study how this test is done. That is the administration of this test. First of all, talking about standing broad jump, the purpose is to measure the explosive power of legs. तो इनका मेन काम क्या है कि लेग्स की पावर को जज करना. तो इसमें एक मैट चाहिए प्लस मेजरिंग टेप चाहिए. प्रोसीजर क्या है? मार्क टेक ऑफ लाइन विद द लाइन पाउडर. तो जहाँ से टेक ऑफ करना है, जहाँ से जंप करेगा इंडिविजुअल, वहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर मार्किंग करनी है. सब्जेक्ट स्टैंड अ फ्यू इंचेस बिहाइंड अ वाइट लाइन. तो उस लाइन के जो भी सब्जेक्ट है, जिसने भी जंप करना है, वो उसके लाइन के पीछे खड़ा हो जाएगा. देन ही हैज़ टू स्विंग हिज आर्म, बेंड नीज एंड टेक अ जंप. तो आर्म स्विंग करके, नीज को बेंड करके एक जंप लेना है. And how the scoring is done? The distance is measured from takeoff line to the closest part of the body dash touches the ground. इसमें 3 trials permitted है and the best trial is recorded as a score. Additional points भी मिलते हैं if a performer falls backward upon landing and measurement is made between the starting line and the nearest point of the body touching the landing surface. The jump should be practiced until the movement can be executed correctly. Since and flexibility can be improved thereby. The another test is zigzag run. The purpose of this to measure the agility and speed of the player. So the things are required, stopwatch, obstacles are required. What is the procedure? Basically, procedure is that student should start at the beginning line since till until the command to go is given to him or her. Then quickly he has to run, gasping the movement around the standards in a given pattern. Whatever pattern is given to him or her, he has to move at that particular pattern. And scoring is done. The elapsed time to the nearest tenth of a second is recorded. If the student should grasp or move a standard run in a wrong pattern or otherwise fail to follow the direction, he should run again after a suitable rest period. Means जो particular pattern है अगर वो student follow नहीं करता तो उसके बाद दोबारा से उसको follow करने की instruction दी जाती है. तो safety इसके लिए बहुत है कि जो भी individual जो भी इसको perform कर रहा है, he has to wear the proper fitting shoes and he has to maintain a distance between the obstacles and himself so that he may not get injury. Sufficient warm-up is also required. Additional pointers are also given, like 3 complete circuits are to be made. So the best one is selected. So what is done, like if any of the student has the ability to improve in the next trial, he or she can do. And the last test is in medical ball put. It is basically done to measure the arm and shoulder length. And what is required? Medicine ball or measuring tape required है. अब जो भी subject है, that has to stand on a line which is 16 feet apart. He then attempts to propel a medicine ball out as far as possible without stepping on or over the restraining line. एक particular line के पीछे खड़े होकर उसको ball throw करनी है, line को cross नहीं करना. He should hold the ball at the junction of the neck and shoulder and thrust away from his body at an angle of approximately 45 degrees. तो जो बॉल है उसको 45 डिग्री के एंगल पर होल्ड करके रखना है. इसमें भी इंडिविजुअल इज अलाउड फॉर 3 थ्रोज एंड द बेस्ट रिकॉर्डेड थ्रो इज कंसिडर एज द बेस्ट वन. जो 3 थ्रो में से जो भी उसका सबसे बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट होगा, दैट इज मार्क्ड फॉर द स्कोरिंग. सो दीज आर द बेसिकली टेस्ट which are done for measuring the general motor ability fitness of an individual. So that's all for the today.